mapapanood mo to pag malaki ka na. So, ito yung binyag mo. I hope and pray na sana lumaki kang God-fearing, you honor your parents as you honor the God.
I was reminiscing on a photograph of you and I. Grew up on the way and found our own path, intertwined. Even when we find we've lost our way, I know you don't wanna feel this way.
Happy christening, Pen. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Lagi kang sumunod sa magulang mo, sa mga parents. Sana lumaki kang maayos, mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Ayun lang.
I know you are when the fractures start to break apart. I'll be the light when your light starts to dim, when it all starts caving in. I'll be the light.
Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana lumaki ka with good health and sana di mo makuha yung mga sakit-sakit namin. Sakit-sakit ko, like kunwari yung asthma, ganon. And sana lagi kang magiging mabait sa amin.
Kinuha ko talaga yung pangalan ng Penelope sa Bridgerton. So, wag mo papanoorin muna yung Pen kapag bata ka pa. So, dahil sa Netflix series sa Penelope, sakto kasi letter P kasi yung mga ate, Pretzel, Priscilla. So, dapat letter P ka rin. So, Penelope. Kasi dapat talaga primo yan kung naging lalaki ka eh. Ay.
Happy sweet 16th birthday, Ate
Pretzel! Hi, Ate! Happy sweet 16th birthday! So, ang wish ko lang sa'yo sana mag-aral ka mabuti, maging role model ka ng 2 younger sisters mo, at honor your parents as you honor the God.
Let it in, let it out. Don't let my feet touch the ground. No, I ain't ever slowing down. I got that power in me now. Ooh, I got that good thing. Come on, let me hear you sing.
Happy birthday, Ate. Basta, lagi mo natandaan, relax ka lang. Sa lahat ng bagay, huwag ka nagmamadali. Andito lang si Mama at saka si Papa na susuporta sa'yo. Hanggat kaya, G. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Yeah, it just feels like it's gonna be right now. It feels like it's gonna be I'm running away. That's right. Riding away.
Kung anong gusto mo sa buhay, G tayo dyan. Basta know your limits and everything should be done in moderation, ate, ha? Mag-aral kang mabuti. We love you and we are so proud of you. Alam mo, ang Ma'am Shilay mo nandito lang.
Let me hear you sing. Yeah, it just feels like it's gonna be alright. Right now it feels like it's gonna be alright. Let me hear you sing. Yeah, it just feels like it's gonna be.
Kay Pen, message ko lang kay Pen, sana lumaki ka ng masayahin, tapos maging mabait, tsaka palamano sa mga ninong. Ayan, tsaka sana paglaki mo matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Tsaka nandito lang kaming mga ninong mo para gabayan ka.
Yeah, it's all fine, just as long